Hello, this is Carrie from Cookbook Divas, and I'm holding the largest, heaviest cookbook I've ever seen. I got it from the library and limped across the parking lot because I was holding this and 7 other cookbooks, and it was really heavy. Cooking in Iran, Regional Recipes and Kitchen Secrets by Najmieh Batmanglij. How did I do? I think I messed up your name. I'm very sorry. Should have looked it up. I don't know how I'm going to do a cookbook review video of this because it's so heavy to hold up that it's hurting my wrist, but I don't want the whole video to be me looking down and finding a page to show you, but that might have to be what it is, I think. Is that the author? I don't know. Don't know how to do this. Geography of Iran. I might just have to flip through upside down. We're going to learn a lot. I think it's a history book too. Oh! I saw an awesome recipe that I wanted to show you. Onion, egg, and spinach soup. But I didn't even find the table of contents yet because I think this cookbook weighs like 20 pounds. Seasonal recipes. Regional recipes. Kitchen secrets. Mage Publications. Don't know what year it came out. Can't find the table of contents because it's so heavy. Don't know how I'm going to do this. We're already in the preface. And here's a picture of Tehran. Okay. I'm just going to have to flip through and find interesting recipes to show you temporarily, such as tomato, egg, and garlic omelet. That looks amazing. Okay. Oh, what are these cute little things? Sturgeon patties. Okay, fish. Fish roe omelet. Okay. Eggs, herbs, garlic, and sour orange brace. You know how I always complain that cookbooks don't have enough pictures? I cannot complain about this one. It's got so many. Let me find a good one. Ooh! Cornelian cherry chutney. Look at those beautiful cherries. Those are different than what I have near me in Washington State. This is Tabrizi cheese, walnut, and herb balls. Yum. So much good stuff in here. Wow. Okay, we're in a different region now. We have lentil, lamb, and prune braise. Gorgeous. And a pumpkin preserve, the likes of which I've never seen in another cookbook. Apricot and nut pickle. This is incredible. I wish they'd done 2 or 3 volumes. So it's smaller. Tomato and lime broth with tiny meatballs. I've never seen such a thing. This is so cool. We're learning a lot about the culture and people and their baking bread. Lettuce and yogurt salad. Okay, that wasn't too exciting. Baked onions filled with rice and herbs. I've seen those before. Saffron lamb and barberry braise. Sorry for panting. This book is so heavy. Lace fat wrapped lamb liver kebab is something I will never cook or eat. A little history on this next region. Beautiful photos. Isfahani lamb biryani wrap. Whew. Do not despair. Ooh, what's this? Lamb and white bean braise with dill rice. I'm going to skip ahead because this is so heavy. Spinach and beet osh. Don't know what an osh is. Now we're in another region called Kerman. And we're learning the history of it. And here's a pistachio, saffron, and sour orange soup. And chamomile flowers, egg, and onion soup. I've never heard of such a thing. I can't wait to look through this while sitting in a chair with it on my lap. A skillet kebab. This is going to set history. Pistachio and pomegranate braised with meatballs. I mean, no cookbook is this big, not even Nathan Myhrvold's. Persian garden, saffron, and lime roasted pistachios. And I'm going to skip ahead because this is so heavy. Oh, we're in another region now, the Persian Gulf. And what kind of recipes do they have? Bandari 7-spice advi. I think I said that wrong. Ooh, a beautiful red lentil soup. Okay, that's all I can do because it's hurting my back. Wow. Cooking in Iran. I want to tell you how many pages are in this book before I go, because this is unbelievable. 724. They did a great job. I'm going to go sit in a chair, have a glass of water, and carefully look through this on my lap before having my boyfriend return it to the library for me. Thanks for watching this cookbook review video. I'm sorry it was so brief. That's the best I could do at the moment. Feel free to check it out from the library and do a cookbook response video. I'd love to see it. Meanwhile, you can see our more normal, less painful cookbook reviews at cookbookdivas.com. We have a podcast about cookbook news. We post cookbook news and info and reviews, etc., and pictures to Instagram and YouTube and Facebook. And please like and comment. Let us know how we're doing. And any type of cookbooks you'd like me to look through. Thanks for watching. Bye.